What are the steps to get a food product into Publix supermarkets? The dream of every budding food entrepreneur is to see their product on the shelves of a major grocery store. Now, it's not only a testament to the quality and appeal of your product, but it also provides an unparalleled visibility and access to a very large customer base. And when it comes to grocery stores, few are as esteemed and well recognized as Publix supermarkets. So, what are the steps to get your food product into Publix supermarkets? This question is a complex puzzle that entails multiple pieces, creating a high-quality product, understanding the supermarket's buyer, fulfilling compliance and safety regulations, mastering distribution logistics, and finally pitching your product. So in this video, we will shed some light on the crucial steps to give you the tools to navigate through this successfully and get your product on the store shelves at Publix Supermarkets. We're going to get to that right now. All right, guys, so welcome back to Marketing Food Online. So in this video, we are going to start a series of videos where we're going to discuss a handful of grocery store chains throughout the United States, giving you detailed descriptions on what is the best practices to get your food product into those supermarkets. And this one's going to start off with Publix Supermarkets, which I actually personally worked for about 9 years when I was in high school. I actually lived in Florida, and Publix Supermarkets is very, very big, of course, in Florida and about 5 or 6 other states, I believe now. They have grown exponentially, and they've done very, very well. But they do have a criteria and a process to get your food product in there. So I'm going to go step by step. So you want to follow me from beginning to end. And as a matter of fact, stick with us all the way to the end. I'm going to give you a few frequently asked questions also that people have asked about how to get a Publix supermarket to buy their product. So step number 1, this is of course crucial, and it's kind of a no-brainer, but you need to develop a very high-quality product. First and foremost, Publix Supermarkets is dedicated to offering its customers top-notch products. Thus, your food product must demonstrate high-quality ingredients, exceptional taste, and a unique selling proposition. So if your product is organic, gluten-free, or even locally sourced, or even caters to a specific dietary need, it could have an edge when it comes to a buyer. Number 2, understand the Publix supermarket buyer. So knowing your buyer is a cardinal rule in retail. In the context of getting a food product into Publix supermarkets, your buyer is a category manager or a buyer at Publix who oversees the section for the product it fits into. Now, these buyers are experienced professionals who have a deep understanding of their customer preferences, the performance of various product categories, and the trends in those specific markets. So your job is to persuade them that your product will add value to not only their assortment, but meet the needs of their desired customers as well. So in order to do this, you will need to conduct a comprehensive market research and be able to present data that actually supports your product's potential for success with that buyer. All right, so step number 3, ensure compliance and safety. So before you can begin to think about distributing your product to any major supermarket chain, including Publix, it is crucial to meet all food safety and compliance requirements. Now, these include regulations that are imposed by the FDA, as well as those specifically to Publix Supermarket themselves. Now, this might involve getting your product lab tested to ensure that it meets all safety standards, obtaining a nutritional facts panel, securing product liability insurance, and more. So it's imperative that your product's packaging also complies with the relevant regulations, including clear ingredient lists and allergen warnings as well. Step number 4, let's dive into that too, master distribution logistics. So next on the checklist is, of course, distribution. Now, simply put, if you can't deliver your product reliably and in a good condition, Publix won't be interested at all. You must have a robust distribution network that can ensure your product gets to the store on time, of course, and in excellent condition. Now, whether you decide to handle distribution yourself or hire a distributor, this will depend on the size of your business and, of course, your capacity to manage logistics. Now, keep in mind, though, that working with a distributor can also open the door to other retailers as well, which can be beneficial for expanding your reach. Next up, step number 5. So perfect pitch. Now, final and arguably the most crucial part is getting your food product into supermarkets like Publix is going to be the pitch. This means that your opportunity to showcase your product and convince the buyer that it deserves a spot on the shelves. Remember, buyers are often inundated with products vying for space on their shelf. Thus, your pitch needs to be compelling, researched well, and concise. Now, highlight the sets of your product that sets your product apart and makes it super unique as well. So trending ingredients or innovative packaging design can be a big benefit too. So in conclusion, getting your food product on the Publix supermarket shelves is not an easy task for anyone. It requires dedication, diligence, and keen understanding of the retail landscape. However, with a high-quality product, thorough research and regulatory compliance, a reliable distribution network, and a compelling pitch, you can definitely get your product into Publix Supermarkets. If you have any questions about this, let us know down below. If you are looking for another supermarket to get your food product in, give us the name of the supermarket. We'll do a little research and we'll get a great video out for you as well. So remember, if you're not subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button. We have thousands of videos here on marketing food online. I'll see you on our next video.